Alright, y'all. I am here with another video. And Happy New Year to everyone who celebrates it and um, all that. So, I'm gonna start this show by running my decorated Sanitaire. Now, I know some people don't like the motor that's in here, but I like to keep most of my machines as original as I can because it makes them it just makes them a bit more fun because they're all original. Same way with my sedan. I like to keep that car as original as possible. So we're gonna go ahead and run it. And I got a new toy introduction to do. Yeah, I went out. My nephew discovered a shoe rack by the road and went up and grabbed it. And then I decided, you know what? It's the new year. People are going to be throwing out a lot of stuff. So why not have a junking trip? So here we go with the Sanitaire. I need to put the cord hook up. It's catching on my shorts pockets. Yeah, that's what I hate about basketball shorts. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and ease over in here because I wanted to say something, but I done forgot what it was. Sorry. Okay, that's gonna have to do it for the house vacuuming. I'll probably take it on the back porch out there. But first, I want to show y'all this because I've never had one of these before. I've considered them, but never actually uh, had the money to get one. It's this Tyneco or Tinico. I don't know how to say it. Tyneco. Why can I not words? Excuse me. But yeah, it didn't come with a charger. It's got a bucket of muck in it, but can't really do too much about that right now because I've got it positioned for the charger that I put on it to actually work. It's not, I don't think it's the right voltage. It could be, but I don't know. It's cordless, of course. It's a 9-volt charger. I don't know what kind of charger these would have, but you know what? I figured, okay, it's not a Bissell Crosswave, but it'll do. So, it seems to be in very good shape. It's got the stiff bristles while it has like the mop threads on it. So, yeah, I know it's probably not going to do anything on carpet, but maybe it'll do something on hard floors. I can't really tell. But anyway, yeah, it'll do in place of a Crosswave. But first you gotta hear it run. It's not gonna work as long as that's plugged in. Maybe it charged it up a bit, maybe it didn't. Okay, so we're gonna plug this back in. I don't know. It's probably gonna charge it very slowly, but we'll have to see. And it seems like yeah, it just seems like that's the only way to get it to actually take it. Yeah, I don't know if that's supposed to flash while it's charging or not. Maybe it does, maybe it is, and maybe it'll quit flashing when it's charged. But we'll see. Maybe this is the wrong voltage. I don't know. But I got a couple others here that could do in its place. Like, let me see. I don't want to yank them around because it could break them. I've got a Radio Shack here, which is a 12-volt charger, it looks like. Maybe the 12-volt will be better, but I'm going to bring other options through, and we're going to see which works the best. That looks too small. And another 9-volt. If that 9-volt doesn't charge it good, then we'll go to the 12-volt. So, yeah, anyway, let's run something else, shall we? Well, actually, let's run the Sanitaire on the back porch. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to be careful out here because my dad gave some bones to the cats and they chewed them up, of course, and there could be something out here that could damage it. And I can't hardly see them out here. Alright. Yeah, I did run the melee out here. I'm not gonna run the vacuum over there because I don't need to. Because I done it with the shark there. I'll probably run the shark too. It'll be in a different video, but I'll run the shark as well. Oh, there's one. put that in that bowl right there. It's not the big ones that I'm worried about. It's the little bitty ones because they're pork bones and they could damage a fan. Alright, and next time we're going to run the Shark on the hard floors, so tell me how y'all liked it, tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe for more and turn on notifications for more vacuum content. And until next time, bye.